In-order to kagabi ni Mister. Nagre-ready kasi kami kasi nagpabook na kami para sa Good morning mga kachika. Inaanak ko yung cellphone, nandyan lang pala. Lalabas na sana ako mga kachika, umuulan pala. Kaya pala parang napansin ko na may maano ba habang nasa toilet ako, nagre-ready. Ayun na pala mga kachika, 6:28, magtataxi ako. Nagpabook si Mr. sa akin ng taxi, kaso nga lang mas maaga. Kasi yun lang na yung available na time, pero okay lang. Kaysa magbasa ako, tapos maulan pa. Nagdala na lang ako ng aking pang breakfast. Nagdala ako ng kape. Although marami naman doon kape. Pero gusto ko yung 3-in-1 at saka croissant at saka isang brioche. So wala pa naman yung taxi. Ambon talaga mga kachika. Pero hindi naman pala malakas. Pero yeah, it's been raining nga. Tingnan nyo. Basang-basa yung mga sasakyan. Pero ayan, umaambon pa. Akala ko yung taxi papunta na. Wala pa ding text. Kung saan na. Usually nag-text na papunta na. Or what? Ano ba yan? Narinig akong isang sasakyan na papunta dito. Baka yun na yun. Kakatin muna ako. Ano pa lang, 6:40. Ganda-ganda ko man dito. Wash your hands, please. I-open natin to. Actually, this is for Mr.
That's good. She got on. It's way too short. How come you got that? Give her that.
Yeah, because that's hers.
Is it?
Because she left up too high, Daddy.
No, I don't think so.
She left up too high. And
No,
I told her as well, why you were,
What?
socks, it's too cold for socks. You said she didn't say the tights. I said, no, there is.
I'm looking for the tights.
No, well, she's looking. That's all right. Don't worry.
Nice. Like what you call that? Secondary.
Oh yeah.
Ito, kasi di ba may binili ako sa kanya na watch. Tapos yung watch kasi, yung ano niya, yung dito niya, hindi kasya sa kanya. Kasya man pero masikip. So bumili kami ng ito, ng original na, ang tawag dyan? Nabili namin sa eBay. Pero yan, original siya na tag.
Oh, you open it?
Brand new. Is this the one?
How's it look? Damaged?
Nice. It's still in the wrap.
Oh, it's big enough.
Oh yeah, even.
Oh, maybe. Oh, I don't know. It's really tight, that.
No, it's not tight. Because it's plastic. So once you take it from the plastic,
Let's have a look.
it will.
No, don't take anything off yet, love, until
Okay. Still there at plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can open it then. There. Just this
Wow.
side is,
Oh,
is
yeah.
plastic. Yeah.
No, oh, wait a minute. No, you can extend it. See?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Oh, maybe you can't. It's on the last one. Or is it?
No, it's not.
Yeah,
You
it
can
is.
extend.
No, you can't.
Oh yeah, just a little.
This
If you
one.
want the bigger size.
You can make
You
it
can
smaller.
smaller, but
I can make
not-
it smaller. I can't make it bigger.
Just a little bit. But it's nice. It's gonna be fit good.
Wait a
in-
minute. That's too wide. That's supposed to be 20. That's... Oh, it's too wide.
Yeah, but this one is smaller.
Hang on. Wow. Very good, Anina. That's good job. Very good. Good girl you are.
And this one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Spinning.
Oh, you got a fake beard. Fake beard. And I was talking to Grace, you know, Grace. To find a way. Grace. Then and I said, that Santa Claus is fake because he's wearing a fake beard. He is. That's true. That's true.
It's showing.
That's true. Why, you don't believe me? Ew.
It's because it's real. Santa is real.
Smell my feet. Stop. Mama, do you know, I want to call her name Santa. Done.
You can get the span as well.
Okay.
Where's your card from school? Show me. You shoot it at the grandma. The one from your teacher.
I forgot. Okay.
May card siya doon. Oh, yung palagi naman yan siya. Hindi card mga kachika. Yung parang card nga. Parang maliit lang siya. Palagi yan siya nakaka-receive ng ganyan mga kachika. Parang award yan siya kanya. Eh, halos every week yan siya. Tapos ngayon, iba yung binigay sa kanya. Come here, Sa. It's not there?
But Daddy was touch it.
Where is it, Dani?
Where you put it?
The card.
No, can't touch it. Hands are dirty.
This one pala. Award. May award yan siya pala. Award pala ito mga kachika. Awarded to Alisa for being polite to others. Mabait naman talaga yan siya. Pag pupunta sila sa mga...
I want one of those cards.
Yeah, Alina, you got one of this as well. Wipe your face, look at Messi.
What? Oh yeah.
Alina, meron din mga ganon-ganon. Yeah. Respect, we are kind to ourselves and others. Ayan. May award yan siya palagi. Ang dami yan ng ganito mga kachika. Simula nag-start siya dyan. Like every week, meron siya mga ganito-ganito. Ang dami ko na iniipon. Pero yeah, first time ko lang ito napakita sa inyo. Basta meron siya ganito palagi. Ganyan. Ngayon, nagwawalis na. Ako nagiinom ako ng kape. Pero mapapahinga ako mga kachika. Ano nga pala? 4:13. Tapos may pupunta dito sa bahay yung taga DFS. Kasi meron silang i-connect, di ba? Yung ano na yan, nila clip together. Yung ano namin, yung nabili namin na couch, sofa.
Today we have a very special cargo. We have princesses and a future queen on their way to to your seats. And we play music. Greta, please.
For the party start. Before 12, let's say.
Starts at 12, so how much time does it need?
Your turn. This is me, Susie Sheep. I live with my mummy. She likes to push me on the swing. Hiya, mummy! Hiya! And that is my family. I am Mandy Mouse. Here is me with mummy and daddy. We like playing in the park. To you, Mandy. To you, daddy. Everyone likes playing in the park. Who's next? Hey, what a lovely drawing, Pedro.
This is Mommy and Daddy and me, Pedro Pony. I have glasses. Daddy has glasses. Mommy has contact lenses.
Amazing. How about the Panda twins?
Pandora and Peggy are doing their drawing together.
Daddy is a police officer. And Mommy is a firefighter. Sometimes Daddy drives us in his police car. Daddy, can we do the siren? Yes,
Super. And Danny Dog?
My daddy is a sea captain. He has adventures on his boat. But now Daddy is home to me and Mum. And he won't go back to sea ever, ever, ever again.
What a wonderful adventure. Who's next?
I'm Penny Polar Bear. I live with my mummy and my other mummy. One mummy is a doctor and one mummy cooks spaghetti. I love spaghetti.
Lovely, Danny. And Freddy Fox?
My dad has a band. It has
What is that, Lisa?
for my birthday. It's for my birthday. Yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah, I love it. It's that the one from the Titanic sector.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. Open it.
Yeah, we're gonna write that now, okay? You wanna help me?
Yeah, for my birthday.
Yeah, okay. You're here. Not, don't stay on the side, like, you're gonna waste the battery. Keep moving. Not just in one side. You can do this side, Lisa. Alina, that side. You can do in this carpet here. So what else you gonna put there?
I need an
Oh, no, you didn't need another one. You just do what you want there because we don't wanna mess around with that.
and my stickers.
And your sticker.
Try to put my party for my princess party. What they say for fight it for my party for my. Mama, what do I do?
You're gonna write more here. Yeah. Yeah. Put 0. Put 0.
0, 1, 2, 3,
USA, the UK,
4,
South Korea.
5, 6.
Dito kami mga kasi in order to kagabi ni Mister. Nagre-ready kasi kami kasi nagpabook na kami para sa para sa
Look!
Yeah, you've done it sa birthday party ni Alisa. Kailangan kasi namin gawin to in advance kasi nga holiday, school holiday kasi 'di ba
And
mag-Christmas.
Destiny, right? Destiny.
Mag-Christmas.
We
Tapos
need a day.
more than 2 weeks sila walang pasok sa school. So mas maganda na agahan namin.
I need to write
Then
the
yeah.
after.
And then yung klase nila hanggang Friday na lang yung klase nila mga kachika.
I
Kaya
need to write Destiny.
kailangan namin tong ipamigay. Kaso ano kasi ngayon Friday. So kailangan namin tong ipamigay by Monday. Kaya ginawa in order to kagabi ni Mr. Tapos dineliver lang. Bago lang dineliver. Kaya ngayon pa lang din namin gagawin ito. Kasi nagpabook na kami para kung saan gaganapin yung birthday party, ganun. Ang dami kong gagawin mga kachika. Di ko alam kung anong dami ko pang gagawin. Mag-ayos pa ako para sa ito nga. Tapos mag-ayos pa ako para sa Christmas. Hindi pa ako nakapagbalot ng mga regalo. Nandun pa nakatambak pa mga kachika. So, meron pa, marami-rami pa naman yung babalutin ko. Although, kami lang naman sana. Tatlo lang naman sana yung bibig. Alisa, please.
I'm talking. Mama, I need to write. We need.
What you going to write? What you going to write?
Just say.
Oh, Jesse, we're going to, it's his
I need
name
to
in
write
there.
Jesse.
Nakasulat na kasi ito, naka-ready na din yung mga kakailanganin namin. Nakasulat na to dito mga kasi pinano namin to this week talaga. Tapos nag-contact kami kung ano, mga kailangan namin. Tapos nakasulat na dito kung saan namin basta marami ng mga nakabook na nga kami. Tapos marami na mga kachika, kailangan na lang yung mga ganito. Ayan. Kanyan. Busy din kasi ako. So, kasi Friday ngayon, sunod-sunod ako work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, 3 days ako nag-work. So, at least bukas may time na ako na gagawin to. Tapos, pag busy yung mga bata. Ang dami namin gagawin mga kachika kasi ang daming ganap na mga bata sa school. Sa Monday na naman si Alina may ganap din sila gaya doon kay Alisa. Nung ginawa nila Alisa last Tuesday. Ano pa ba yung gagawin? Tapos bukas may lakad kami. Basta wala talagang pahinga mga kachika. Ang dami naming ganap bago magpasko. Ganun. Kaya kailangan ko tong gagawin. Yung magbalot pa ako ng kasi ilang 1 week na lang. Pasko na. Hindi mo, 1 week. 2 weeks pa pala mga kachika. Pero syempre, kailangan kong ihanda. Kasi ilang araw lang yung day off ko. 3 days lang yung day off ko. So, yung 4 days nagwo-work ako. Kaya, mahirap.
You have to lift the cover up when he comes in.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, for things like hoovering up and things like that. I was going to take a quick picture. Yeah, sorry about being so late.
No, don't worry.
It's just-
Oh, it gets done, it's fine.
Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
So it is to brush the floor.
That's your job. Brush the floor and Alina doing the dishes.
And I'm gonna brush the floor. I'm gonna do the dishes.
There's no dishes now to do now. Okay, Alina is finished. Alina is just...
Waiting for Daddy.
Daddy is finished as well.
Well, how about the cheesecake I need to wash? Okay.
Okay, you can use the one. Alisa doing the floor again. She did earlier, but she need to do it again.
Doing it with the... Excuse me, please. And then back away from the wall. That's right. Oh, Lizzie, you can do that. Put it in when I finish. Put it away. Oh, come on.
You do the floor na lang sa.